Yo tubers, this is Joliet Jones here with the alternator replacement. Alternator is going bad. It's making a grinding and really loud and grinding and squeaking noise. So this is going to be me replacing this thing here. First off, you want to disconnect your battery and you want to loosen this here tensioner. So I got a bolt here and a bolt on the rear here. See, I already started. This is an 89 Silverado. Pretty feels to do this, and I couldn't find any, so I decided to make one. So here we go. I tightened the tensioner here just a little bit. It's not much. I have to keep going here, so see if I can set the camera up here somewhere so you can get a good view of what's going on here.